What do Waterbury emergency rooms commonly miss when documenting car accident injuries? After a car accident in Waterbury, the emergency room may treat your immediate wounds while quietly missing the injuries that will define your insurance claim for months to come. Emergency physicians are trained to stabilize patients and identify urgent conditions, not to build a detailed medical record designed to satisfy an insurance adjuster, reviewing your claim weeks later. Soft tissue injuries like whiplash involve muscles, ligaments, and tendons that simply do not appear on the X-rays and CT scans, commonly used in emergency settings, leaving those injuries undocumented. A report stating no acute findings after a rear-end collision does not mean your neck or back is uninjured. It means the imaging tool used that day was not designed to detect every type of pain. Concussion symptoms, including headaches, dizziness, memory problems, light sensitivity, and mood changes, may not surface until hours or even days after you are discharged from the emergency room. Because emergency charting focuses on treatment rather than crash mechanics, an ER note may describe neck pain and a headache without ever mentioning that a car accident caused those symptoms. When an insurer reviews that first record and finds no mention of a collision, the adjuster can argue that your pain came from a pre-existing condition or an unrelated daily activity rather than the crash. That documentation gap, which felt harmless in the treatment room, can turn into a serious causation dispute during settlement negotiations and significantly reduce the value of your claim. Prompt follow-up care with your primary physician or a specialist is one of the most effective ways to create a more complete medical record that connects your evolving symptoms to the crash. Connecticut law does not prevent you from recovering compensation simply because your initial ER record was incomplete. But building a stronger evidentiary foundation requires gathering additional medical documentation. Waterbury car accident lawyer Dan Petroskey has dedicated his entire legal career to representing injured plaintiffs since his admission to the Connecticut bar in 2004, giving him deep familiarity with exactly these documentation challenges. The attorney and the team at DeFronzo and Petroskey, PC, work with clients to gather the medical records and supporting evidence needed to present a more complete picture of injuries to insurers. Contact DeFronzo and Petroskey, PC, located at 255 Bank Street, #2B, Waterbury, Connecticut 06702, United States, by calling 203-756-7408 to schedule your free consultation and discuss how your medical records may affect your claim.